Imagine that people don't know who you are and tell them a little bit about you. I know that this is kind of hard, but
No,
Well, they've got a week or two. I've had an incredible life. Yeah, I've had an incredible life.
uma vida incrível ele teve.
I was born in Wales, in the United Kingdom,
Nasceu em Wales, no Reino Unido.
yeah.
and the family emigrated to Australia when I was a boy.
A família dele migrou para a Austrália quando ele era pequeno.
Yeah, my father was a great singer, cantante.
O pai dele cantava muito bem.
Yeah, he sang a lot of opera
Cantava ópera.
and other kinds of music in town. He was on stage
Caramba.
singing when I was a little boy.
Então ele sempre cantou, mesmo nos palcos, mesmo quando ele
O
era
pai dele
pequeno.
era tenor?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I sang all through school, all through junior school and high school
E ele cantou na época dele de escola.
as well. We didn't have television until I was 15.
Ele não tinha televisão até os 15.
Uau.
We had music at home,
Tinha bastante música
music
na casa
and
dele.
reading and poetry.
Música, leitura e bastante poesia.
All kinds of music. I grew up with my father's music,
Todos os tipos de música.
which was quite varied, including Latin American music as well, calypso music,
Incluindo músicas latinas.
and classical music, and
Música clássica.
and also Western ballads, pow, Western ballads, Americano
Umas
Western
músicas.
ballads.
Old West. Como é que é
The
isso em
old West,
português?
the old
Oh, no
West
problem.
ballads. The old West
Yeah.
ballads.
Faroeste,
Yeah.
umas coisas meio
Faroeste.
faroeste.
So all
Sim.
kinds of music. But like the rest of the world, when I was young, I discovered the Beatles.
Mas aí ele descobriu os Beatles.
The Beatles came out and changed the world.
Mudou o mundo dos Beatles.
Changed the world.
Um minutinho. É porque a gente tem um problema com Beatles aqui.
They have a problem with Beatles here.
With what?
They have a problem with the Beatles here. But here, like the
I don't
podcast.
care. I'm just telling
I
the
am-
truth.
Problema de você.
I hate
I
the
don't
Beatles.
care.
I hate
Fala,
the
não
Beatles.
gosta de Beatles.
Listen. I don't.
He doesn't like the Beatles.
I don't care.
Ooh.
I
Ele não
don't, I don't
liga.
care. They probably don't like you.
Eles provavelmente não gostam de você também.
Yeah. It doesn't matter. We're talking historic. Okay.
Estamos falando historicamente,
I don't
então
care
tanto
about
faz
personal
você.
preferences at all. I'm telling you the way it happened. And I
Mas
remember.
eu reconheço a
I couldn't care
história.
less. I remember when the Beatles first came out.
Ele lembra quando os Beatles começaram.
Yeah. And they changed the world.
Mudou o mundo.
Not just because of the music,
Não só pela música,
it was because of philosophy.
mas pela filosofia.
Philosophy. My hair is still long because of the Beatles.
O cabelo dele ainda é longo
Yeah.
por causa dos
You have
Beatles.
moustache and beard because of the Beatles.
Ele tinha bigode e barba por causa dos Beatles.
Yeah, because they came out with Strawberry Fields.
Que eles vieram com o Strawberry Fields,
And
o
they
álbum.
had moustaches and beards, and we thought they were false ones.
E esse era o visual, e a pessoa ainda achava que era falso.
Everybody was clean shaven in those days.
E aí todo mundo tava limpinho, assim, da
Elvis
barba
Presley,
naquela
blah, blah, blah.
época.
Everyone was clean shaven.
Sim.
The Beatles came out with Paul McCartney had a moustache. John Lennon had a moustache.
Então
George
todos eles
Harrison.
nessa época tinham bigode.
George Harrison had a beard like you. George
Ai.
Harrison had a beard.
O George tinha a
Yeah.
barba.
And we were shocked.
E todo mundo ficou chocado.
Because
Porque todo o
nobody
resto não
nobody
tinha.
had facial hair. No one.
Ninguém tinha pelo no
Yeah.
rosto.
So you have a beard because of George Harrison from the Beatles.
Você tem barba por causa do George Harrison.
Provavelmente.
See,
Provavelmente.
so now you like the Beatles, right?
Agora você tem que gostar dos Beatles.
So
Tá.
well, you look like George Harrison from the Beatles.
Você, inclusive, parece o George Harrison do Beatles.
See. He loves the Beatles now.
Falou que agora você ama
Okay.
eles.
Desculpa.
Yeah, see. So anyway, and so my first band, I was 17.
A primeira banda dele, ele tinha 17.
I was 17 years old in a small town. in
Numa cidade
Australia.
pequena, na
Small
Austrália.
town, only 8,000 people.
Só. Eita.
Only 8,000.
Nossa, 8 mil pessoas só na cidade.
Wow.
Only small, very small.
Nossa, era
Yeah.
uma cidade.
And I was in a band when I was 17.
Então, teve essa banda.
17 in a band, singing in the town. Beatles. I was singing Beatles songs, Rolling Stones,
Ele tava cantando músicas dos
sim.
Beatles, dos
sim.
Rolling
Sim,
Stones.
cover.
the Bee Gees. Yeah, covers.
Bee Gees.
Yeah,
Yeah.
the
Yes.
early Bee Gees, fantastical. Early Bee Gees, I loved them. So people kept saying that I was wonderful,
As pessoas falavam que ele era muito bom,
and I should go to the big cities
que ele devia ir para
and
cidades
try to
grandes.
make it. And so when I was like 18, 19 years old, I left the small town. No traffic lights. It was just a very small town.
Essa cidade era tão pequena que não tinha nem semáforo.
Yeah.
Nossa.
Wow.
No,
E aí,
no, a
aos
small
19,
town. And I left there to go to Sydney.
ele saiu pra ir pra Sydney.
I went to Sydney. Yeah, the big city with traffic lights.
Sydney era tipo
And-
cheia de faróis
and harbour bridges.
pra todo
and,
lugar.
yeah. And so I started in Sydney. I didn't know anybody.
Ele não conhecia ninguém quando foi pra Sydney.
I didn't know anybody.
Ninguém.
Yeah. But you got to be brave.
Mas você tem que ter coragem, né?
See, I didn't know anybody, and I just started
E aí ele começou.
there. And
Wow.
and before too long, I was still young. I met Angus and Malcolm Young.
E aí ele foi conhecer o Angus e o Malcolm?
Angus and Malcolm.
Ok, então ele conheceu os dois.
Como aconteceu? Como eles se conheceram?
How did you
Como
guys meet?
Huh?
How did you guys meet?
Well, I'd been in a band in Sydney called Velvet Underground,
Por causa de uma banda chamada Velvet Underground.
the Australian Velvet Underground.
É uma banda australiana, ela existe.
Yeah, not the American one. Yeah, and when I was with the band, they used to talk about a former guitarist who had been with the band before me.
Então, enquanto ele tava nessa banda, a galera ficava falando muito de um guitarrista que tava na banda antes dele,
Yeah, and his name was Malcolm Young.
que era Malcolm Young.
Yeah, the famous George Young from the Easy Beats was his older brother.
Who?
George Young, the older brother.
Georgia.
Yeah,
Ok.
The
Então,
older brother.
tava com ele nessa época.
yeah.
Eles
So
estavam juntos aí nessa época
Yeah.
ainda, na mesma.
the older brother was George Young from the Easy Beats, famous Easy Beats. I used to buy their records when I was a
O
teenager.
cara do Easy Beats.
Yeah,
Sim.
when I was a kid. So Malcolm was the younger brother of the famous George,
Então, o
Yeah.
Malcolm era irmãozinho dele,
but I never met
Perfeito.
him.
mas ele nunca
Yeah,
conheceu
I
o...
just they used to talk. Anyway, Velvet Underground broke up.
Então, a banda acabou, o Velvet Underground.
Yeah, and I answered an advertisement in the Sydney Morning Herald newspaper.
Nossa, e aí ele viu um anúncio e ele foi atrás do anúncio num jornal chamado Herald Sydney,
Yeah, for a singer
que era pra um cantor
who was into Free. It's an English band called Free.
era pra uma banda inglesa chamada
Free.
Free.
Paul Rogers, vocalista, the great
Yeah.
Paul Rogers.
Paul
Era-
Rogers era vocalista?
Yeah.
See, and Free.
Nice.
And then they become Bad Company later.
Caralho, velho. Esse cara viveu toda a história do rock mundial, porra.
You lived all the history of international rock.
Well, yeah, in Australia, yeah, we loved music from all around the world. Because we were Australia a long way away. We
A
loved
Austrália
English
gostava de todo tipo de música.
English bands, American bands. We got all the music to Australia. The two of the biggest bands the world has ever seen comes from Australia.
As duas maiores bandas do mundo vieram da Austrália.
Yeah,
Sim.
AC/DC
AC/DC
and the Bee Gees
and the Bee
Bee
Gees.
Gees.
from Australia. Okay, so two of the biggest band in the world. So not many people live in Australia. 20 million,
Não tem muitas pessoas na Austrália, são
but two of the
20
biggest
milhões.
band the world's ever seen
Mas as
come
melhores
from
bandas do mundo.
Australia. AC/DC and the Bee Gees. Okay, so we know our music. Understand?
Então eles conhecem música pra caramba.
Sim.
See, so I answered an advertisement in the paper, and it was Malcolm Young who answered the phone.
Então ele foi nesse anúncio aí, e aí foi o Malcolm Young que atendeu o telefone quando
Yeah.
ele ligou.
And I said, he said, Dave Evans, you're with Velvet Underground.
Ele falou, você não era o cara do Velvet Underground?
And I said, yeah, and you're Malcolm that used to be with Velvet Underground.
Ele falou, e você é o Malcolm, que também era de
And
lá.
I said, yeah. So Malcolm said he was rehearsing with two guys,
Ele tava ensaiando com dois caras, o Malcolm,
and for me to come over that afternoon,
que era pra
And-
ele ir lá na
and
tarde
audition.
e fazer uma audição.
yeah. So that afternoon in Sydney, I went around to an old abandoned office block, an abandoned office block.
Oh, ok, então naquela tarde ele foi pra era tipo um escritório abandonado,
Tá.
Yeah, where they were rehearsing
que era onde eles estavam ensaiando.
in one of the abandoned rooms.
Em um dos quartos abandonados.
Invadiram,
Dos
então,
cômodos
né?
abandonados. Aí
Resumindo, eles
invadiram. Invadiram o
Empty.
lugar.
It was completely
Beleza.
empty, but I could hear the music coming from one of the rooms.
Tava tudo vazio, então ele conseguiu ouvir a música dos caras.
Perfeito.
So I went up and knocked on the door, and Malcolm opened the door.
Ele foi seguindo o som, bateu na porta e o Malcolm abriu a porta.
And he said, I'm Malcolm. I said, I'm Dave.
Eu sou o Michael, legal, eu sou o Dave.
And so it was great. And because we'd both been in the same band
E aí foi legal porque eles já tinham estado na mesma
before.
banda.
And I walked in, and there was Colin Burgess on drums.
Então tava...
Colin Burgess
Colin Burgess estava na
on drums.
Bateria.
bateria.
See? He was the famous Colin Burgess.
Então,
Famous.
before? He was
Yeah.
already famous?
Famous.
Então ele já era famoso nessa época.
Yeah.
Já era famoso?
Yeah. He was from a band called...
Mas famoso no cenário underground.
He was
isso?
famous in the underground scenario.
No, he's a famous rock star.
But
Rockstar.
now or at the time?
Then, at the
Ele
time.
já era
Ele
famoso
já
lá.
era famoso
sim.
naquela
Sim.
época?
He'd been with a band called The Masters Apprentices.
Ele tava com uma banda que
Masters
chamava...
Apprentices, yeah. They were a big band. They were international. I used to buy their records too when I was at school.
Ele comprava os CDs desses caras.
Caralho.
See? Yeah, so there's Colin Burgess. I go, wow, Colin Burgess. And then they had a guy called Larry Van Crete
E aí
on
tinha
bass.
esse cara, Larry
Larry
Van
Van Crete on bass.
nos
Yeah.
baixos.
Who was a friend of Malcolm's.
Que era amigo do Malcolm.
He wasn't famous.
Mas ele não era
No.
famoso.
So there was the four of us.
Então eram os 4.
Yeah. And so we jammed.
E aí eles fizeram uma jamzinha.
We did Rolling Stones, Beatles, and rock and roll. Chuck Berry, Little
Berry,
Richard. So we did all those songs together. About 5 songs we jammed.
Então eles fizeram esse jam com toda essa galera que ele acabou de falar.
Bom, então já nesse momento já rolou um entrosamento musical ali, então. Porque eles já se conheciam. Ele e o Malcolm já se conheciam, certo?
Não.
Peraí, então eu entendi errado.
Os dois participaram da mesma
mesma
banda
banda.
em épocas diferentes.
Em épocas
E
diferentes.
aí, quando
não era no
ele-
mesmo período.
Não era no mesmo
tá.
período.
Entendi.
E aí...
Por isso que no anúncio ele, tá, você é o Malcolm, o David e tal.
Exatamente.
Porque
Aí ele
eles
ficou,
viram
você não
nome.
era dessa banda?
Tá,
Ele, e
entendi.
você também, entendeu?
Entendi.
Ok, pera que eu me perdi. Ele falou que... Ok, no, he asked you if you guys, clicked together because of rock and roll.
We jammed. And but it was music we all loved. We
Foi isso
loved that
mesmo.
music. Because we both been in Velvet Underground, we liked the same music.
Então foi isso mesmo. Eles bonded, eles ficaram juntinhos, eles viraram amiguinhos por causa da música.
Yeah, so we did that. So we jammed our favorite songs, really.
Ficaram tocando as músicas favoritas deles.
So about 5
dessa época.
songs. About 5. And then
Umas 5 músicas.
we stopped. And Malcolm just said to the other 2 boys, I'm happy for Dave to join if you 2 are.
Aí o Malcolm falou, eu gostaria que o Dave entrasse se vocês estiverem de boa com essa ideia.
Yeah. Colin and Larry went, yeah, cool.
E eles falaram, não, vamos lá.
Então bora.
And then they asked me if I wanted to join.
E aí perguntaram, então, se ele queria entrar sim pra banda.
And I said, yeah.
Ótimo.
So anyway, that was great. And we all went out that night and got drunk.
Então eles saíram aquela noite e ficaram bem bêbados.
Isso é bom.
We had a band.
He said that's good.
Yeah, we had a band.
It's good. I like.
And then a week later, Malcolm asked if his younger brother Angus could audition.
Aí uma semana depois, o Malcolm perguntou se o irmãozinho mais novo dele, Angus, podia entrar pra banda também.
Because his band, Kentucky, had broken up.
Porque a banda Kentucky, que era a banda do Angus, acabou.
Yeah. So we said, yeah, okay. Bring Angus along and see what happens.
Chega aí, vamos ver o que acontece.
Yeah. So Angus came at the next rehearsal and jammed with us.
Então ele foi no primeiro ensaio, no próximo ensaio e também fez a jamzinha com a gente.
And then Malcolm said, is it okay if Angus joins?
E aí o Malcolm perguntou de novo, beleza então mesmo se ele entrar?
And we all said, okay.
E aí todo mundo topou.
So then there was 5 of us.
Então daí eram 5
Ficaram em
deles.
5.
Yeah. And that's how the band started.
E foi assim que a banda começou.